In this video, I will show you how to send money from Western Union. Simply log into your Western Union account. Now click on send money. So here you have to enter the country where do you want to send the amount. After that, here type the amount that you want to send. How does your receiver want the money? Cash pickup or bank account? Simply select the process like I have selected cash up. Now how do you want to pay? Online, credit card, debit card or bank account? Simply select that. After that, click on continue. So now that when you click on continue, here you have to click on accept. So here you have to add the receiver details. I have already added the receiver details here. So simply just after that, click on continue. So when you click on continue, so simply here you will find the options like you have to enter your credit card details, expiry date, CCV, address, zip code, and everything. After that, when you enter your card details, simply you will click on continue to review. So after accepting the card payments, you will be able to send money to any person from Western Union.